5-minute 5-marker challenge. You just need to give me 5 minutes and I'll give you short 5 mark. Yes, my dear students, this is your SST faculty Tanvi Pahuja on your YouTube channel Diksha Vedantu. I welcome all the class 10 students here because today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is the rising importance of tertiary sector. We know that from the chapter Sectors of Indian Economy, we learnt about 3 sectors: primary, secondary, and the third one is tertiary. But we know that there is growing importance of tertiary sector in India. Not in India, but in world. If we talk about the t-shirt you are wearing it right now, it is of cotton, right? The cotton we get from the agriculture sector is itself a primary sector. But this is not what we obtained from the farm itself, okay? Rather, it was a cotton plant that was converted into thread, then a fabric, then a t-shirt. But how did you get that t-shirt? You get the t-shirt from a showroom, get transported, stored very nicely, and that is how tertiary sector played a very important role in our economy, as well as in our exams also, because this question is being repetitively asked in our exam. Okay, class 10 previous year question paper. For example, what is tertiary sector becoming important in India? Explain. Once asked as a 3-marker question. Second, examine the rising importance of the tertiary sector in India, and this is how this question is repetitively being asked. Okay. See this graph given in NCERT. This is basically the gross value addition by primary, secondary and tertiary sector. And in the year particularly from 1977 to 78 till 2017 to 16, we have seen that there is growth in all the 3 sectors. But the major growing sector is tertiary sector. But there might be any reason, ma'am? Yes, there are 4 reasons which we are going to write in our examination to get 5 short 5 marks, okay? The first one is that the tertiary sector involves the activities, these are considered as basic activities. For an example, right now if you got something like fever or something, you will just rush to hospital because that is a basic service available in our neighborhood, right? You all of them are studying it because education itself becomes what? And basic what need of humans, right? Telegraph service. Right now we cannot survive without internet. How we will scroll the reels on Instagram, right? Police station, courts, village administrative offices, municipal corporation, defense of India, then how we will fight with our neighbor country. Banks, insurance companies, etc. are required, and this is the reason tertiary sector's importance is growing day by day because it involves all the basic services in our market or environment. The second one is that if we need to grow the primary and secondary sector, it will definitely facilitate the growth of tertiary sector. For an example, if large amount of grains, if large amount of wheat and rice is grown in an agriculture field, right, it can only reach to the millions of people with the help of transportation. That itself is a tertiary sector. It can be stored only with the help of store houses, cold storages, which itself involves services, right? So development of primary and secondary leads to the development of tertiary sector. As both of them are growing, gradually the tertiary sector is also growing. The third and the very important is rise in income, and that is very interesting. Yes, if we talk about the time when our ancestors were there, if we talk about our grandfather, they usually tells us that we went on the trip just once in a year or once in 2 years. But right now, all the weekends we want to go on trip because money has been added in our pockets, right? So yes, rise in income is also one of the important factor because as there is money in your pocket, you will have the habit of eating out. Restaurant services, what it is a service which is involved in a tertiary sector, talking about tourism, private hospital, private school, professional training particularly. Like every student right now has a knowledge of coding. How did you get that? Because of training you get from the classes, and that itself is a tertiary sector. Last but not the least, that new services has been added in the past decades. Like before 1998, we knew nothing about internet, but now we knew it. So IT, information technology, and now AI is also added in the list. Because of this new services, all of them are tertiary sector, which gradually led to the importance of tertiary sector in our surrounding. Sure, I am very sure that this question is going to come in your exam, and I am now sure that you're going to write all these important 5 points. Let us revise them all. First one is that basic services are involved in primary sector. Basic services are involved in tertiary sector. Okay. Development in primary secondary sector leads to the development of tertiary sector. Third is rise in income, and the fourth but not the least, that is new services like IT, information technology, etc. Now as you have read this whole 5 minutes, you need just to solve this question right now. Answer it in comment section. Let me see how many of you are correct. And if you want the notes of this PPT, you just need to join the class 10 WhatsApp group. It is very important because we are going to put all the CBSE updates and updates of our lectures on the same channel. If not yet done, hit the subscribe button because many such 5-minute 5-marker challenge is going to come. Just 5 minutes and you are going to get your secured 5 marks. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Join Diksha Vedantu. Thank you.